Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to present a quick tutorial on how to draw the female anatomy without being really uncomfortable and weirded out. This is appropriate for guys and girls, you know, depending on who you are. You're not naughty, trust me. Step 1, draw the line. Step 2, make an M. Step 3, do some cross-hatching. Step 4, step back and admire what you just done. You did it. Great job.
We interrupt this program with some bloopers. You're welcome.
Step 2, crap. Step 3, make an M. Crap. Step 3, make crap. And congratulations, you made the feminine parts without being awkward. That looks awful. I'm gonna do it again. Alright, that's it.